Yes sir, rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. This video I got a 2016 Nissan Versa 1.6 SV, and the problem is it's ran hot quite a few times. Coolant had been leaking. The coolant fan is not working, so I'm going to be replacing the coolant fan assembly, thermostat, and the coolant temperature sensor. All right, so as you can see in the beginning, that video was showing the coolant coming. It was basically pushing up and out of the reservoir. I thought it was a leak in the reservoir, but that's what was going on. It was pushing up and out, coming out and leaking on the ground. I believe that's how she's losing all of the coolant. The AC isn't blowing cold as well. So all of this right here, these repairs are going to get the AC working. We're going to get the fans back working, because the fan, it basically would not turn. This fan would it would just get stuck. I could move it and then it'll move by itself like that, and it just wouldn't move like that and kick on when the AC was on. So yeah, man, quick rundown. Let's get to it. Another notation, man, make sure this coolant that y'all use for these vehicles match the vehicle specification. You see we got Nissan 2009 and up. This is a 2016, so blue coolant. So we looking like we got this brace right here, goes across. Got to take this out, and then we can get to the fan. All these bolts here, 10 mil. Now we gotta hit these. Got that one out right there. So all of those. Almost there. Alright, that's what we got. Moved it up, pushed it forward, got past the bumper, and now you can see the fan. Be able to pull it through here once I get everything undone. 10 millimeters holding it in, harness connected. Alright, I removed that transmission line, got it away from the fan, because we got clips like that holding it. Got the harness undone. There's two connectors. That's how those connectors look. They have another one that you can choose from. Don't want to mix them up. It's a single cable. These have two of them, so make sure they match your vehicle. 10 mil side of that, 10 mil on this side right there, and you can pull that up out of it. Alright, we got the fan out, so I'm gonna show you the location of the thermostat. I'm not sure. You should be able to take it out without taking out the fan, but since I'm doing everything together, I'm gonna give it to you how I'm step by step. 12 mil bolts. It's connected to, what we got going on here? It's connected to this oil filter or the oil level stick. Alright, so you just pull that off like that. That's the thermostat. There she goes. Get your catch pan, catch that coolant. Make sure you get that gasket up out of there. The new one in. Alright, old thermostat, old gasket. New thermostat, new gasket. Get that part number. $64780. We in there, tighten down. New thermostat installed. Go ahead and install the new fan. Alright, we got that fan installed. Harness hooked up. Thermostat in. We'll go ahead and reinstall the bar. And that's it. Everything hooked back up. Alright. Now we got to take off this air box because the ECT sensor, engine coolant temperature sensor, is right up underneath. Take out this 10 mil here. This 10 mil. And pull this out. 10 mil, 10 mil. Remove this harness. And get that from there. Alright, next we got this. Get that bolt out. Use a flathead or 8 mil. Alright, get down in here and where we at? This is it right here. Engine coolant temperature sensor. Got our new one. Got a 3/4 deep socket. So we're gonna get that off with. That's the old one. And that's it. Put everything back together. Alright, got our coolant. Gotta top it off. After we top it off, we want to go ahead and start it up. Turn on the heat. Make sure your heat is blowing hot. If it doesn't get hot, then you don't have the air out of the system, and it will continue to raise your coolant, your thermostat hand, and it may run hot, may not, it may fluctuate, and that's because of the coolant system not being bled. I already feel the heat. Heat is good, and the AC blowing cold. Alright, let's see if this fan is on. Yep, looking good, man. That's what I want to see. Alright, man, if you're liking the content, you know what to do. Like the video, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that good stuff, man. I appreciate all the likes and engagement. Until next time, pull up, King.